Alright guys, here we have a specialized Sirrus 6 updated DT Swiss wheels with 350 DT Swiss hubs and 54 Ratchet tooth upgrade. Very loud. What do you guys think? Like it? Let me know. Thinking about doing the same thing on a Rube.
Show the 105 conversion.
And this crank set here is 105. It used to be Praxis, whatever it's called. Specialized. Please don't be cheaping out on shit. Put some quality stuff on these bikes. Fucking bullshit. Alright, that's it.
DT Swiss ER 1600.
1,750 grams front and back combined together. Aluminum 32mm wheels.
This saddle right here is a real nut saver. You guys have to try this, the body geometry power saddle. And the good job, the one thing they did good is put these shifters, Centos 11, which are really snappy. It's called rapid fire. They go really well with the 105 components. Shifts really good and snappy. Hopefully it stays.